Hello everyone, this video explains how to install grills and diffusers designed and manufactured by Laminar. This time we're using the screw installation method. It's one of the most used because it's practical and safe. We can apply this method to a wide variety of Laminar's products, either for ceiling or wall installations. There are other products like LJS, LCL, and LAV diffusers, and LPG, LVH, LRA grills. This process applies to all the products. First, let's select all the tools and elements we need. This time we require a square, some markers, a tape measure, a saw, a utility knife, a drill, a screwdriver, and finally sealant. This time we have an LPG linear grill measuring 24 by 4 inches. The product comes fully sealed, along with the screws for its installation. We then proceed to unpack the product and take out the grill. As you see, the product comes with installation screws, and here is an LPG grill measuring 24 by 4 inches. Now we proceed to measure the LPG linear grill measuring 24 by 4 inches. Let's mark the surface according to the measurement. Now let's use a square to draw the edges. Then let's cut out the opening for the LPG grill measuring 24 by 4 inches. For this, let's use the utility knife to make the initial mark, and then we use the saw to cut it faster. Once finishing cut, let's remove the piece. Now let's proceed to place the product in and attach it with screws that came with it. Finally, let's apply sealant on the grill's borders to prevent air leaks. This is the correct and safest installation of our product. We hope this video was useful for all of you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Laminar S.A.S.